Welcome to Little Chess Champs, where every move make a champion. Today we will learn all about the queen, the superstar of the chessboard. Are you ready to explore the move of this incredible piece? Let's go. Queen is the most powerful piece in chess. It combined the ability of two other pieces. One is rook and another one will be bishop. So how rook moves? So rook moves straight, down, right and left, right? Then how bishop moves in diagonal. See, up, down, this diagonal and this diagonal, right? So queen combine the ability of two other pieces, rook and bishop. So this means queen can glide across the board in any direction, but here something important. Once the queen starts moving, it must stick to one direction until it reaches a stopping point. So if it is going straight, then ends on in one direction, any one move, right? So how powerful is the queen? When the queen is in the center of the board, it controls 27 squares. That's a lot of space for attacking, defending or taking control of the game. So it controls 27 squares. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So if queen in d5, it controls 27 squares. If the queen moves to the edge of the board, it controls how many squares? 21 square it controls. This straight line it is controlling, this line it is controlling, so file it is controlling, rank controlling, diagonal, this diagonal also controlling. So total 21 square. That's still impressive, but it's not as many when it is in the center. Keeping the queen near the center makes it more powerful. The queen has some rules to follow. Queen can't pass through or land on square occupied by its own team. For example, queen can't go and land here. It is not possible. If an opponent piece in its way, the queen can't stop there and take the place. Remove the piece. Let's practice together. If the queen is on d4, how many square can it control? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many square it control? Take it out from your hand. Place the queen on different part of the board and count how many square it can control each time. Thanks for learning with Little Chess Champs. Remember, queen may be the most powerful piece, but every piece is important in its own way. Keep practicing and having fun. See you next time. Happy learning, Little Chess Champs.